Digestion-related problems take a toll on your health and if not treated properly may cause heartburn and even lead to irritable bowel syndrome. Enjoying spicy food or indulging in sweet delicacies may sound tempting, but if your immunity is weak, these foods might have painful repercussions. Digestion-related problems take a toll on your health and if not treated properly may cause heartburn and even lead to irritable bowel syndrome. Here we bring to you some effective and easy ways that help you get rid of these problems. 1. Heartburn. Heartburn is a condition that is felt right from the chest to the throat area. One of the main reasons for heartburn is acid reflux, which is caused by stomach acids that irritate the esophagus. 2. Tips to prevent heartburn. If you are one of those who frequently suffer from heartburn, then try to eat small portions of food throughout the day. Overeating tends to cause heartburn. If you do not chew your food well, it may also hamper the digestion system. So, chew well and keep your digestive system intact. Adopt healthier methods of cooking and keep digestion-related issues at bay. You can opt for baking, grilling, and stir-frying as your cooking methods. Deep frying or even shallow frying your food can cause digestive issues and heartburn. People who frequently experience heartburn should avoid extremely spicy, citrus, and vinegary foods. But still, if you want to consume these foods, eat them with a decent amount of acidic foods such as meat and vegetables. Another major cause of heartburn is binge drinking. This causes bloating and heartburn. Limit your intake of alcohol, and if you consume alcohol, rehydrate yourself the following day with a good amount of healthy drinks such as water and fresh juices. 3. Irritable bowel syndrome. Irritable bowel syndrome is a condition in which a person might suffer from extreme abdominal pain and cramps. In severe cases, it may also cause constipation and even diarrhea. 4. Tips to prevent irritable bowel syndrome. Avoiding binge eating prevents irritable bowel syndrome. Some of the foods that can aggravate the irritable bowel syndrome problem are alcohol, excess consumption of milk, wheat, barley, beans, and caffeinated beverages. If you suffer from irritable bowel syndrome frequently, limit the consumption of the foods that may aggravate this condition. Adding more fiber to your diet helps in fighting diarrhea and constipation. Consume fiber-enriched food rather than relying on fiber supplements, as they can worsen the irritation levels. Lack of sleep and stress can also cause irritable bowel syndrome. 5. Stress. Working out regularly not only provides many health benefits but also fights stress. It has been observed that people who are physically fit tend to suffer fewer or no digestive problems. Those who are physically unfit are more susceptible to health problems, so incorporating exercise into your daily routine is essential. Calcium is important for people of all ages. If you are allergic to milk, you may be at a higher risk for irritable bowel syndrome. Consult a healthcare professional to find calcium alternatives that can help prevent this condition. Maintaining a well-balanced diet low in spices, salts, and oils is beneficial for digestive health. Regular exercise is another effective way to stay fit and combat health issues.